Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you the demo of this new application which creates separate IFC for each assembly along with the QR code. Just imagine you're a fabricator. You have got an assembly drawing in front of you. You scan the QR code printed on it and instantly the exact 3D assembly pops up on your phone via Trimble Connect. So how this is going to help you? So if you have doubt, you don't need to call the office. No need to check the model separately. Just scan and go. Let me show you how this application works. You have two options here, selected assemblies and selection filter. When you choose selection filter, it will automatically enable this combo box. It is actually showing all the filters stored on your system. Then select the IFC settings and select the Trimble Connect server and then select the project. Before you run this application, your project must have been collaborated with Trimble Connect. In the interest of the time, I'm going to run it only for the selected assemblies. So select the switch here. Now I have selected both steel and precast assemblies. Change this option to selected assemblies. Once I click export, this will start exporting separate IFC for each selected assemblies. And then it will start uploading IFC files into Trimble Connect. Now it is uploading the files. Then it is creating the shared link for the QR code. You can see these are the IFC files. There are 34 assemblies selected, but the system has created only 7 IFC assemblies. It is just because most of the assemblies are identical. So this is correct. Let me just go to the Trimble Connect and show you. You can see the files are uploaded to Trimble Connect. Let me just double click and open it on Trimble Connect. You can see the separate assembly. I'll go to the next one. This is the precast. And this is rafter. How you can scan the QR code and open it on your mobile or iPad. I'm going back to the drawing. Now you can see the QR code. The link has already been added to this QR code. So if I scan with my mobile, it will automatically open the 3D assembly. Let me start with the rafter. You can see my mobile screen. I'm going to scan the QR code. And then click continue to your destination. It opens the IFC of the rafter. So you can see both the views. Let me go back and open another drawing. I'm going to try with C7. So this is C7. Let me scan the QR code. So this is C7. As you have seen, the QR code will be automatically created by the application and added to the drawing sheet. If you have any question about this application, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.